Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams can't join meeting in Windows 11 and Windows 10. You can use this guide to troubleshoot the following issues. Microsoft Teams stuck on connecting. Microsoft Teams join button not working. Sorry, we couldn't connect you. Microsoft Teams error. What to do if you're unable to join Teams meetings? Restart your computer and modem. This should fix any network connection issues. Method 1. Restart Microsoft Teams. Click on Start menu, and select Settings. Click on Apps in the left pane. Select Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Teams. Click on three dots button, select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to and click on Reset button. Method 2. Clear your Teams desktop client cache. First, close Teams and follow the steps. Press Windows+R, then type the following code and click OK. Go to Microsoft. Click on Teams folder. Open the cache folder. Delete all of the files in the cache folder. After then, see if you can attend the meeting. If the problem still bothers you, clear the cache following folders. If nothing worked, reinstall Teams. Go to Control Panel. Then click on Uninstall a program. And select Microsoft Teams. Click on Uninstall to remove the desktop client. Restart your computer and install Teams again.